So for our next pattern, we're going to be leading the lady into an underarm turn. So we start with our basic into separation. So it's rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Now what's going to happen here is I take 3 steps to the left, I raise my hand and the lady goes under. We go triple step, we do quarter turns, rock, step, and close it up, triple step, rock, step. So we'll do this one more time, starting with the basic. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. I do half a basic, rotate my shoulders, turn right, and triple step, and rock, step.